How to change your LinkedIn account's password. Let's get started. Launch your LinkedIn app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find your profile icon. Click on it. Different options will appear. At the bottom, you're going to see the option of settings. Click on it. Once you're in the settings page here, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of sign in and security. Now head over to the option of change password. Now from here, you are able to change your password. First up, go ahead and type in your current password. Then type in new password for your account. Retype in your new password. You can check in for this option, require all devices to sign in with new password. Then you can go ahead and click on the option of save password. But in the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option forgot password to recover it. After you are done, click on save password, and with that your password will be updated. Password change, and just with that I have updated my password. So this way you can easily change password on your LinkedIn account. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.